Hey guys, welcome to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make a bouncing ball effect. So we have a wall and a ball here. So you can able to see that we have four boundaries covered with wall, and in the center we have a ball. So I already created a wall. So for ball I'm going to have rigid body 2D, and then I'm going to have circle collider 2D. Since it's a circle, I have a circle collider. So let's make gravity scale to 0 because I want to manipulate at the coding. Next we add a box collider 2D for a boundary walls. Okay, everything has been said. Now let's create a script called ball move script. So this is going to control the movement of a ball. Okay, open the script. So in order to make a movement for a ball, we need to have a rigid body. So I'm going to create a variable called rigid body 2D RB. So RB equal to get component of rigid body 2D. Okay, so we have got the rigid body from the game object. Next we want to apply a force. Rigid body dot add force new vector 2 of the value the amount of force which you like to start, multiply with time dot delta time start speed. So we define a speed. Okay, and then same thing we want to add to y-axis. Okay, let's have some default speed here. We can tweak it out later. So let's check it out how it's okay. Hit play. Okay, I forgot to add a script to the ball. Now it's now it's fine. Let's check it out. It's moving but a little bit slow. I'll try to increase the speed now. So increase the speed to 100 to 400 and check it out. Yeah, now the speed is fine. We want to make our ball to reflect once it hit the boundaries. Okay, so let's create a script called ball bounce. So this script is going to handle the system. Drag and drop the script to the ball. So we have a two script, one for movement and another one for bounce. Okay, so create rigid body 2D and RB equal to get component of rigid body 2D. Okay, so in order to make the ball to be bounce at the boundaries, we need a reflection. I mean the opponent of the force we applied for a input. So in order to do that, we can able to check with the help of a collision to make a reflection. Okay, so first we will get the velocity which we applied, force we applied. So in order to get a velocity, I'm going to declare one variable called vector 3, or vector 2, whatever you like to have. So I'm going to have vector 3 velocity. So let's make last velocity, not a velocity. So let's add a velocity here. Last velocity equal to rb dot velocity. Okay, so we got a velocity now. So next we want to have find the speed. Okay, so in order to find the speed, we are going to get from the velocity of your magnitude. Okay, and then we are going to find the direction where we want to apply the reflection. Okay, so I'm going to find the direction. So it's going to have vector 3 dot reflect. So reflect is going to have let's we check it out what we need for reflect. We need velocity dot normalization and the direction where we want to apply. Rb dot, it should be present in collision. So collision dot contact point, collision dot contact of 0, first collision point I am taking, so it's 0 and normal. Let's add the direction to a velocity now. So we got a speed and the direction, so we are going to apply for a ball. Okay, so if you see direction and the vector 3 value we added, so we got a direction and everything is fine. So let's go to rb dot velocity. Okay, and then direction star mathf dot max, the maximum value we can apply. Okay, so I'm going to have speed comma 0. Okay, so if you see we have a lot of declaration option, float x, float a, float b. I'm going with this system, speed comma 0f. Okay, so it has been applied to the velocity. Now let's check it out how it's work. Okay, if we can see we got the last velocity and then speed, next direction, and then with the help of a direction again we are applying to the velocity, so that once it's bounced this system will happen. Okay, so hit play and check it out. Yeah, it's working perfect now as we expected. Once it's got a collision, it will reflect to the opposite side of a direction with the help of a magnitude and then the direction, I mean the reflection. Okay, so let's we try to increase the speed in order to see more reflection. Yeah, it's working perfect as we expected. So that's it. If you think this video is helpful or you, please subscribe us. Thank you.